It's time to do your revision. Where are you?
What? I'm over here.
What are you doing? Aren't you getting ready to do your revision?
No, it's so boring.
Why? Study is boring. Shall we make it exciting?
Okay.
What should we do?
I don't know.
Alright, studying is always boring. Revising with you, it's even worse. So shall we make studying and revising much more interesting? How about doing a challenge? How about that?
Challenge?
Alright, how about showing you do your test paper in front of the audiences, and then at the same time to ask them to make this challenge together with you, and perhaps to also ask them to do the examination paper at the same time. Shall we do that?
Okay.
Shall we make anything that's boring into something that's interesting and exciting as well?
Yes.
Okay, so let's get ready for the challenge. Let's get started. How about Meow Meow? Are you going to include your Meow Meow as well?
Wait. Yay.
Okay, Meow Meow, let's take the challenge.
Audiences also join the challenge?
Yes, of course. With Meow Meow, with you, with anyone, any students out there who are simply bored with their revision, you can start with the same challenge.
How about Kaka?
Mm-hmm.
Bye.